happy? My God. Red na red talaga ako. Oh. Naka-red ang lola. Because my conscious said that I should wear red or green. Don't wear white and black. Because black is for dead people. White is for the same thing. So we should wear happy color. And don't wear blue. It's not good as well. Diba? Nahulog pa ang tigong ba yan? Yeah. My God, I'm gaining weight. Shit. I need to work out. Wait. So we're gonna have Vikings, which is, I don't know if the cook is good, because the last time when I went there last April, oh my God, the food is yuck. There's not much, not much people, or I don't know. What a Christmas tree. Wow. Nice Christmas tree. Hi, good morning. Reservation for 6, Naomi Irish or Naomi Bea or Kylie Bea. 3 adults, not 3 kids. Katie, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you still okay?
Naomi Wilson.
Yes. I'm checking. Okay. Nandiyan na sila?
Makapasok lang din.
Okay. Okay, then you wear it. Kate, you wear your
Paano siya ba?
strap. 10.
10 years.
May bayad na siya.
Meron.
Oo. Yeah, we're here na in the early celebration. So that later I'm just gonna watch TikTok or whatever, Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus. Did you see them? Come on, let's go around. Let's go around, baby. Come on, come on. The food. Katie na may pizza. Oh my gosh. Let's get tempura na, Caitlin. I'm gonna get tempura na before anything else. Okay, come, let's go. Ay! Hinahanap kita. Ikaw pala kumukuha ng tempura. Happy New Year. What is this? Tempura. I'll get lots of tempura, Kate. Ay, naku, Kate. Hindi pala pwede ito sa'yo. Mag-pizza ka. For my appetizer, I'm gonna drink. Ah! Happy New Year! Yes, Lala. Love ya. Happy New Year, boys. Irish, Happy New Year. Saan kayo, Irish? Ha?
421.
421?
Hindi mo sinabi pangalan ko?
Sinabi ko. Naomi Iris, na pinadare-diretso na ako dito.
Yun. 421. Yung may mushroom.
Hi! May mushroom ko. Okay. Yes, Kate? Yes, Katrina? Akala ko tinatawag ko, MG. Caitlin, you want some of this, oh? Which one? Ah, yeah, nachos. Of course, get everything. You get a plate. Get a plate. You want some nachos, Kate? Di ba yung chips and then you're gonna dip in the meat? You don't like? Elio, look. Do you want some nachos? Oh, this one na lang. Pero this is sweet, ha?
Water?
Tigda dalawa lang kayo. Yeah.
The one with daddy.
That's enough about this. Oh, what else you want? You go with me muna. You guys you sit down na. Don't go anywhere. Oh, you go come here with Nuna na lang. I'm gonna get you pizza. What? This looks so good. I'm gonna get this one. OMG. OMG, where's the plate? Caitlin, can you get me a plate? Where's the siomai? Kuya, may siomai. Siomai. Okay. Kukuha ko nito. Prosperity. Prosperity. And vegetable, definitely vegetable. Veggie. I love vegetable. Caitlin, come here. Huh? What do you want? Sushi?
Am I allowed?
Of course, you're allowed. Eat whatever you want. Kuya, no more na diso. No more, no. Okay, let's get chopsticks. Wait lang, Keita. I'm just gonna finish my thing. What do you want? Yes, you put it in your plate. Not really. You try one. You get a chopstick. It's a lot of food. Oh, let's put this there. Kate, hold mo muna to. Oh, put it there na. Come on. Yeah. Come here. It's okay. Uusog na lang ako dito, naka.
Dito? Kaliwa.
So, what do you want to eat?
Sushi.
Ha? Yeah, punaso mo. It's alright. Di ba may wipes kang dala? Don't worry about it. It's just soup, toyo. Oh, you're clean na. You're good na. Come on. Let's go get your pizza. What do you want, pizza?
There's a sushi there.
Okay, come on. Let's get sushi. You want some sushi? Then we'll get sushi. If that's what you want. Sure, why not? Where is that? Oh, there you go. Okay, let's look for this one. You can eat this. Okay, I'll get you. That one.
Spicy?
This one. Yeah, I think that's spicy. This one is not spicy. I'll get you